Good morning, students. Welcome back once again in computer class of class 4. We have already studied the syllabus of first term. In first term syllabus, there are 3 chapters. Now, I shall represent summary of chapter 1, that is computer storage and memory device. In chapter 1, first topic is data. Data can be defined as a representation of fact, concept or instruction in a formalized manner. We can also say that data is a raw material which is entered, which is input by the users into the computer, and information is a processed data. Information is organized or classified data which has some meaningful values for the users and the receivers. Now move on to next topic, that is memory units. Memory units is the amount of data that can be stored in the storage units in the form of bit, nibble, byte and words. I have already discussed bit, nibbles, byte and words in previous presentation of chapter 1. Next topic is a storage unit. A storage unit can store instruction, data and intermediate result. Computer memory. Next topic, computer memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instruction. We have also studied about 3 types of computer memory: cache memory, primary memory and secondary memory. And next topic is RAM. RAM is the internal memory of the CPU for storing data, program and the program results. ROM, read only memory, the memory from which we can only read but cannot write on it. This is called the ROM. And last topic of the first chapter, that is a storage device. Our computer uses 2 different type of storage device, that is internal device and the external memory device. While both types save the access our data files, they do so in the different ways. Internal and external storage device have very different physical and operational characteristics. Now move on to next chapter, that is GUI operating system and desktop management. In this chapter, first topic is operating system. What is operating system? We know that operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the software and the computer hardware. Operating system provide the interactivity between the computer system and the users, and operating systems provide many functions. We have already studied about the function of operating systems, objective of operating systems in previous presentation of chapter 2. Now move on next topic, that is Windows 10 GUI basic. The graphical user interface GUI operating system has the visual environment using the windows, buttons and the icons. In Windows 10 GUI basics, we have studied windows, icons, desktop and background. Next, Windows 10 navigation, we have studied a start menu. In Windows 10 navigation, a start menu, file explorer, virtual desktop. Next topic is Windows 10 start menu. The start menu is the main points of access to your application. In Windows 10, we have studied left pane, right pane and the search box. Windows 10 taskbar. The Windows 10 taskbar sits at the bottom of the screen, giving the user access to the start menu as well as the icons of the frequently used application. In Windows 10 taskbar, we have studied notification area, task view, quick launch bar, setting dates and time and changing volume. All of this facility provided by the Windows 10. Now move on to next chapter, summary of next chapter, that is Tools of Word 2010 and editing a document. What is the meaning of editing a document? Editing a document's Word 2010 provide many editing tools, just like copy, paste, delete, insert, move text. We also checking spellings. and use thrashers in the documents. In editing documents, Word 2010 provide the facility of insertion and add text, insert and replace text, selecting text and the deleting text. Move on next topic, moving text. You can move text from one location in a document to the another by using the drag and drop techniques with the help of the mouse. And we have also studied some steps how to moving text. Copy and paste operation. The copy operation will just copy the contents from its original place and creates a duplicate copy of the contents at the desired location without deleting the text from its original location. Windows 10 provide cut, copy and paste. Is a very efficient tools to edit the files and folders. Next topic is cut and paste operations. The cut operations will cut the contents from its original place and move the contents from its original locations to a new desired location. We have also studied the undo and the redo options. The undo feature is used to undo the previous actions, and a repeat or redo feature is used to repeat the previous action. Checking spellings and grammar. Microsoft Word provide a decent spellings and the grammars checker which enable you to search for grammar mistakes in your documents. That's it. Thank you.